Very good morning to our RANsquawk listeners. Welcome to the European Rundown for Friday, the 29th of October 2010. Just going through now 10:30 here in London, a quick check around the markets. In terms of reactions to the Eurozone CPI numbers, the unemployment rate not too far from consensus, neither was the UK money supply figures, so pretty muted reaction to those. However, we did see German retail sales reports at the European Open this morning, which was considerably weaker than the street estimate. And at the moment, we do trade lower by around 0.5% or so in the core European stock indices, with Bund futures in positive territory, just reversing back up to around where we were trading on Wednesday's trading session, just above that 129 handle. Elsewhere in the peripheral spreads, we're seeing some minor widening across the board. Of particular note, we've seen the Greek 10-year bond yield spread over German bunds move back above the 800 level, so we're trading around the widest there we have been in around a month. That coming on the back of no real fresh news flow, but over the course of the week, a bit of concerns coming back around the Eurozone, particularly likes of Portugal and Ireland as well, which spreads are also seen slightly wider this morning. Looking forward then in terms of the things to come, it's all going to be very much based around the advanced GDP figure for Q3 from the US, and to give a real indication of whether or not the Federal Reserve will embark on further quantitative easing when they meet on November 2nd and 3rd next week. So far today we continue to see volatility in the US dollar, where the dollar index is trading firmer today, paring back some of its losses from yesterday. We're up around 0.5% there, which has weighed on both euro-dollar and cable so far today. Looking in terms of other things to come aside from the GDP number, we'll have the Michigan report, but other than that, it's all going to be very much centred at 1:30 London time when we'll get that latest reading, the advanced report for US growth. That pretty much concludes the European wrap-up, so that's all from me for now and for this week. But we'll have another update from RANsquawk later on this afternoon, the European cash equity close, where we'll also give you an update on those growth figures out of the US. So for the time being, I wish you all a great trading day and a great weekend.